crest, and then 5 left long tightens, and 40. Small crest, 5 left long tightens, 40. 2 left over crest, 2 left continues for 100, 60, then square left. So this is the long 2 left, 60, then square left, and 1 right, 40. Then 3 right and 5 left long tightens. Here's the 3, so 2 left long tightens. 80, 3 left, 4 right tight into 6 left. So it's 3 left into 4 right into 6 left. Then 130. Then 3 right, hairpin left tight into 2 right. 3 right, hairpin left, 6 right. And the 2 right continues for 150. And 60 straight. Then it's 5 right and 3 left. 5 right, 3 left. 50. Then 3 left, solid hairpin right tight. 3 left, solid hairpin right tight. So that's this over here. 3 left, solid hairpin right tight. 60 straight. Let's go on. 5 left, open, 40. Then 1 right, 40, 5 left. 1 right, 40, 5 left. Then 100. Rest, into 3 left, and 1 left continues for 80, and tightens into 4 left. So it's 1 left, tightens into 4 left, and 60. Then 6 left into hairpin right, 6 left into hairpin right. 40. Whoops! Woo! 5 right and 5 left. 5 right and 5 left. 40. And so hairpin left, don't come tight. 60. Then 4 left, 40. And then bumps downhill, downhill, 2 right over crest jump. Bumps steep down, 2 right over crest jump. Then another crest jump, fall away and acute right, turn acute right. 2 left, 2 right, down. 2 left, 2 right, down. Then 4 left, long, slippy, and 5 left, don't cut. So 4 left, long, then 5 left, don't cut. 60, and then open hairpin left. Open hairpin left. That just means it's quite wide. And 40, and then 5 left, stay mid, and 200. Then small crest, big crest, 300 down. Small crest, then biggish crest, 300 down. And then 1 left, small crest, and dip, and 130 down. Then 3 right over left, and 1 left over small crest, and 100 straight.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay?
Bit my tongue, but other than that,
Oh,
I'm fine.